I came from middle America. This was the home I grew up in. This is my mama and dad in 1956. This is my great-grandmother who came west in a covered wagon. This is my dog, Yippee. And I'm Marion Haley Moss. My mama would take me to the movies. You know, she'd look up at that big screen and see women thinking and feeling and expressing themselves with no fear about who was watching. And Mama just glowed. Mama had been acting all her life, but to be a recognized actress meant freedom and romance and respect. I'd say that was Mama's version of the American dream. She was dismayed when it became my dream, too.